In this quick guide, we are going to set up the best auto clicker for our Android phone. On your Android phone, just go ahead and open up the Play Store and type here auto clicker. Here you see the auto clicker with 4.7 rating. Just go ahead and install this little auto clicker that is only 15 MB. Now it will take few seconds depend upon your internet speed. Once it's installed, let's go ahead and open it up. Now here it might ask you some permissions and set up your language. Just go through them and select your required options. Now once you are in this auto clicker, you have few options here. You have one point mode which tap a single position repeatedly at a specific interval, and the second one is multi-point mode that set a series of tap swipes in different positions. And in this tutorial we will be going to select one point mode and then click on start. Now at this point please tap on the allow button. Now here it took you directly to the accessibility. Scroll down and here we want to find out the auto clicker. Just go ahead and allow auto clicker. At this step we want to say don't ask me anymore and then allow again. Now once you have allowed all the required permission that will be asked on your phone, here we want to go ahead and click on start. Just define the default setting for action interval, it's millisecond. Let's say here I want to put 200 millisecond and click on done. Now here we have the pointer. We could place it on the location where we want to start the auto clicker and press the play button. Now you see it started auto clicking. So that's it about today's quick video on how to get best Android auto clicker. Thanks for watching ITBK and I will see you in the next one.